Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got all cleaned up today, all shaved up, because we got a big day today. At the end of this video, I have a big announcement, so please stay till the end of the video to listen up. Now, yesterday, as you know, we did FedEx, and I promised you UPS today, and I won't break my promises. So today, we are going to evaluate UPS. See if they're any good. See if they're worth buying. See what kind of company they are. Now, because I don't think I've looked at UPS probably years, the financials or balance sheet or anything. So let's see what they say. All right. UPS. Here we go. All right. So the price is $179.89. 179. Okay. Market cap 155 billion. PE ratio 13. I like that. That's good. That's a pretty low PE ratio. Earnings per share 13.09. Ooh. Dividend yield 3.52%. What? Oh, I love that. You know I love that. That's a really good dividend. Okay. Analysts say it's overvalued. All right, let's go down to the graph first. I like the graph. So the revenue's going, my favorite thing. It's going up, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And the earnings, they're up and down. They're up and down. I mean, they're it's earnings every year. They're not negative, but it's up and down. So, okay, which means you know what we do next. Let's see. Well, you know what, before we do that, let's look at what the high was. Like the high, okay, it looks like the high was in the past year or something, couple years. So let's see. Okay, there we go. So the high was 214 in May of 21, and right now it's 179. So, not much of a drop, right? Okay. So now we go to statistics. Statistics. All right, so let's see what's going on. Let's see. Okay. So they got a trailing PE of 14, forward PE of 16, so they say. All right, profit margin, 11.5%. Okay, that's decent. That's decent. Real decent. Operating margin, 13.74%. I'm loving it. Return on assets, over 12%. Return on equity, over 67%. All right, I'm loving this. Okay. Wait. Let's go to PAT ratio. 46%. Okay. No problem. Total cash, total debt. I love looking at that. Total cash, $7 billion. Total debt, $23 billion. Okay. Let's see for the cash flow statement. Operating cash flow, positive, $14 billion. Levered free cash flow, $8 billion. Wow. This looks really good. It looks really good. But okay, so... Well, okay, I'll save that. Let's see. Let's go to analysis. Let's go straight to analysis. I already know the revenue's going up and all that. I don't need the whole breakdown. I get it, They're positive. Their revenue's going up and they're making profits. Okay. So, let's go to I'm going to forget all that. Let's go to sales growth. All right, so they're still saying for this year negative 1.9 and next year 4.6. Which isn't great, but, that's for sure. But, it's okay. It's UPS, right? So, so here's the question, right? Now, I believe it's a good company. A very good company. Like I said, I love FedEx, right? And worth buying, yes, but at what price, right? At what price? Right? And sometimes, man, depending on how you do this, it can be hard to determine if a stock is overvalued or not. But let me just note this for you. Sitting here looking at let me go to the 5-year. That's more accurate. Sitting here looking at this thing, this stock didn't shoot up till crazy market, okay? In other words, look at this. It started to shoot up in April of 2020. We know what happened then, all right? So it just went nuts like then, right? Before that, it was about 118. So the question is, do you think between 2020 and 2023, which is about for 3 years, do you think it deserved to go up from 118 And at least right now to 179. Because before that, man, it was 117 or below all these years before. So, well, analysts, I don't go too much by analysts, but I like to see what they say. And they say it's overvalued. Is it overvalued? Yeah, I think it's probably overvalued some. So what would I do? I'd wait. Like I said, man, if there's something you don't like about a stock, I mean, don't do it. There's other stocks to buy. Remember, try not to buy stocks. Be picky. Be pickier than Warren Buffett, okay? And you won't go wrong, all right? They need to meet all your standards. And this looks really good. I love it, but it's overpriced right now. And it might be for a long time. And I know what your argument is. You'll say, well, then I can never buy it, right? If it always stays up or always stays overvalued, right? And it might for years and years. I mean, it might. But the thing is, even if that's true, it's okay. There's other stocks that we can get undervalued. You know, set yourself a price target on a watch list with an alert on your phone or something, your desktop, whatever, and have a set price and buy it at that. My suggestion, believe it or not, oh, wow. If I was going to buy it, man, I'd wait till like 130. Now, you might say it's never going to get there. Well, okay, other stocks will. Relax. Okay? So my valuation is it's a great stock. I wouldn't buy it now. But if you do want to buy it now, if you're going to say, oh, hey, Mark, screw you. You don't know what you're talking about. Well, Mark says, okay, then just buy a little bit. Buy a little bit. Because one thing I love about it is that dividend. And they ain't going nowhere. Right? There's only there's only 3 organizations who do this stuff, right? FedEx, UPS, and the government, right? Post office, right? I mean, who else is there? You know? So, there you go. That's my valuation. Now, I promised a big announcement, and I have one. So I thought of this last night, and I put the whole idea together. And starting my next video, I am going to do a 30 video series. It's going to be 30 videos, and it's going to be called The Dow Chronicles. And what it is, it's going to be an evaluation of every single stock on the Dow, but one video at a time. All right? And I'm going to alphabetize it by the ticker symbols. Okay? So all 30 stocks on the Dow, I'm going to evaluate each and every one. I'm going to grind it out. Video by video. All right? 30 different videos. Now, before you ask, why don't you just do a bunch of them in one video, right? Because a lot of times when people are looking for stocks, you know, they're looking for a particular stock. They don't want to watch my video for 5 different stocks and try to find which one they're looking for. So, you know, I'm doing this for everybody, 30 different videos. I'm going to grind them out. We're going to have fun. So, you know, it's going to be informative, it's going to be intelligent, and it's going to be sarcastic and stupid probably. So, all right, you know, I know you're excited. So, get your popcorn, get your tater chips, and, you know, your beer, you know, your drugs, your purification. Okay, maybe we're going a little deep there, but you know what I mean. All right, get ready, because I'm going to be making a lot of videos. It's not going to be like just one a day. Until the Dow Chronicles are done, I'm going to be making multiple videos a day. All for you. All for you. I probably won't eat, won't sleep, you know, but, you know, it's okay. The Dow Chronicles. All right? Starting my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Watch the Dow Chronicles, the series. Peace.